In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import issues in Jira. We'll start with exporting issues, and then we'll move into importing them back into Jira using a CSV file. This is useful if you want to back up issue data, share it with your team, clean up information in a spreadsheet, or move issues into a project in a more structured way. First, open Jira software in your browser and sign in with your Atlassian account. Once you're in, navigate to the project you want to work with. From there, open the Issues view or use filters if that's the easiest way to display the specific issues you want to export. Before exporting anything, take a moment to refine the list. Apply the filters you need, such as project, assignee, status, or a date range. This step matters because Jira will export the list exactly as it appears based on your current filter settings. Once the list looks correct, double check that you're seeing the exact issues you want included. Now go to the upper right corner of the issue list and click Export. Jira will give you a few format options, including CSV with all fields, CSV with current fields, Excel CSV, and sometimes XML depending on your setup. Choose the format that best fits your needs. For example, if you want complete issue data, all fields is usually the better choice. After you select the format, the file will download to your computer. Next, let's import issues into Jira. To do that, prepare a CSV file with your issue data organized into columns. Common columns include summary, issue type, description, priority, and optionally assignee and due date. Keeping your CSV clean and clearly labeled will make the import process much smoother. Back in Jira, click the settings gear icon. Depending on your Jira edition and your permissions, select System or Jira Settings. Then open External System, Import or Import Issues from CSV. Click Choose File or Upload CSV, select your file, and then click Next. Jira will now ask you to map your CSV columns to Jira fields. Match each column carefully and make sure all required fields are mapped correctly. This is one of the most important parts of the process, since incorrect mapping can cause missing or misplaced data. After that, review the import settings. Choose the destination project, select a default issue type if needed, and check everything one more time before continuing. When you're ready, click Begin Import or Import and wait while Jira processes the file. Once the import is complete, open the destination project and verify that the issues were created correctly. Make sure the fields appear as expected and that the imported data matches your CSV. That's how to export and import issues in Jira.